Tomlinson. I've been a Jacksonville fireman now for 4 years. I've been an active fireman for about 8 years now. During the time frame of being a fireman, I've always struggled with vision. It's always been a struggle because I've had to, always wake up in the middle of the night and grab my glasses, and then even when I had my glasses, sometimes I'd have to do the job without my glasses, which made it extremely difficult at times. So one day, my dad, he referred me actually to Dr. Gulani. He said that he saw him on the television and how great he has been, how much success he's had with other patients that were essentially otherwise not candidates for LASIK surgery. Many of the other doctors I had been to all told me that I was not a candidate because I had a strong astigmatism in my left eye. And because of that, I had always had to wear glasses. But like I said, until one day my dad recommended Dr. Gulani. I came here, I met him. He was extremely kind. All of his staff were extremely professional. They all, welcomed me with open arms like I was family. So, like I said, they were all very pleasant. And then after I sat down and talked to Dr. Gulani, he walked me through the steps that he would need to perform in order to make my vision what it is now. And so he walked me through step by step, explained everything to me. He educated me on the process, and I felt well informed before I actually did the surgery, which was very comforting for me. After that, we did the procedure. I got done with it, and I couldn't believe almost immediately my vision was amazing. And then I went through the recovery process, and that wasn't even that bad. I know people were always talking about how terrible that could be, but for me it wasn't bad at all. I came back here, met with the doctor. He said my vision was 20/20s, and we went from there. I also had the experience of sitting with other patients that were also operated on during that same week. And I couldn't believe it. They were all from, around the United States. And one guy in particular, I can remember his case. He was almost completely blind, and Dr. Gulani did his surgery, and in that eye, he was 20/20. So it was very cool to see that I wasn't the only one that had a difficult case, and I was successful, he was successful. I'm pretty sure everybody in that room had great outcomes. But that goes on to say that I would highly recommend anyone needing LASIK surgery to first consult Dr. Gulani, and don't take no for an answer. There is hope. You will have great outcomes here.